How's it, people? It's Monday, it's raining, and I've got a digger for the day. Sadly, that is all the good news I've got for you. Back at the barn at Ilminster, the lovely people at Hamleys have lent me their nice brand spanking new digger because I'm looking at buying one, and they give me a little test drive, which is nice. Got to dig a little trench nearly up to the road for the water supply. Bring it through, put a stop tap and temporary water tap in there. What else is going on? Planning. It would be less painful if I just headbutted a wall repeatedly. Latest email from them is saying due to lack of resources they can't keep up and they're actually having to do some fucking work, and they've got a backlog to 2020, so 4 years, and that is due to the phosphates, which is the bullshit that they've not reacted to properly in the situation they've created. So yeah, not a massive fan on planning at the moment. Electric, I've got all sorts of lawyers instructed, cost me a fortune in easements and all sorts, but that's fine, I can deal with that. My lawyer is on it, she is absolutely fantastic. Electric supply, got everything agreed, 2 different landowners, both happy, all fine. Come out to do the survey the other day, they've got to upgrade the poles, which one of the landowners then isn't happy with because it's natural conservation type area and they got to dig stuff, so got to have a meeting about that at some stage. Hopefully there's a solution, because at the moment I'm going to bloody electric. Yeah, let's get digging. It's Tuesday morning. It is raining less, which is nice, because yesterday I spent the day jumping in and out of a wet, muddy trench. Just had Wessex water out. I've put all the pipe in, all to their super anal requirements, with barrier pipe that's disgustingly expensive, with a stop tap, which is fair enough, and with a ridiculously stupid lockable box in case someone, I don't know, steals my tap or something. But anyway, all good. That's one minor hurdle ticked off. Backfill this now and then job done for a bit. Well, that's it for this week's Not So Exciting updates. I will do another video when I know some more, hear some more, maybe on planning, maybe next week, maybe next year, who knows. Hope you're all having fun, staying safe. See you next time. Cheers, bye.